Yo, yo, yo. That's not what I wanted. Yo, 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 yo. We're on that game Chrome extension vibes today. Hold on. Alright. I got sort of an update. So after I posted my question, they got back to me, and this is what they said. They said, see messaging for some examples. When new tab is open, the action pop-up is closed, and that's the end of it. If you want to display the result, you can open a new window using Chrome Windows Create, or add an element on the page and style it as a pop-up manual. I think Windows Create, if that's what I think it is, I think it's what it's saying is I can open it as a window like this. So let me try that. Where's my code? Here we go. I got all my other stuff here. Alright. But yeah. Wait, hold on. Okay. So yeah, that's what I think it's saying. But I won't know until I actually test it out. Where's my code? So instead of doing, I believe, where is it? It's in here. Instead of doing tab create, I think we're gonna have to do another Windows create. But then it says I think we could alter that. So if I try that using chrome.windows.create, chrome.windows.create. Let me literally try that. If this works, then we can, I think, do it. So if we use this as the control panel, and then it opens up a new window. So let's actually try that. Alright, what is this? That I can close. Alright, so if this opens up okay, does that mean I can alter this? Hold on. Alright, hold on. I gotta check something real quick. Chrome Windows Create. Get page data. We could get the page data, which is all that we need. Show the window on the same display. Message external. Starting to think is less so. Manipulating the dawn is less messy. Okay. Send message extension ID. I don't know what. Alright, so I guess I did, and that's what someone said on the thing. They said you should use a background script, and I had a background script, but I took it off because it didn't seem like I needed one. But you know, I don't know. So we gotta add back the background script. I gotta see how. Chrome extension, background script, version 3, because they changed it. We gotta do something like this. JS/background. And then, based on which tab was it? So this one. Yeah, this one. So on the web app, we send the message. So let me try and see if I can send this after it's loaded. And then, for the sake of time, I'm gonna change it from 60 seconds to 30 seconds. Because yesterday I spent a lot of time wasted. I spent a lot of time just waiting, so alright, I don't know what we do here. I think I could just do this. I don't know what the extension ID would be though. Chrome runtime send message. That's a browser. That's probably, oh, that's Mozilla, so that's for Firefox. Getting background data into a content script. Okay. Okay, so this looks similar on sort of what we need. A page requests user data, requests copy of user, get user data, see user data, send the response to user. Oh, okay. So style it as a pop-up manually. That's the thing, I don't need to do this, I don't want to do this manually. But if I do this as a iframe, but the thing is though, if I did it like this, I could have easily, this could easily be automated. You need to communicate it between the iframe and the rest of the Chrome send message to background script and then Chrome steps. They can't communicate directly. Yo, 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 yo. I ran into problems and trying to run JavaScript and my pop-ups led me to custom elements. Okay, so hold on. Web accessible resources pop-up. This is in the content.js. For the sake of testing, let me try this. I don't know what this is gonna do, but we shall see. Let me copy and paste my current to a backup here, and then background scripts. Same thing as background. I think the room surface is gonna come in today, but I don't know. We'll see if they could come in tomorrow. I'm not trying to. Do all that today. These, I don't know if this will work, but there's no permissions on this one. Interesting. There's no permissions that I'm seeing, so I don't know how this actually works. Content.css. And then this would be, I guess, JS/that. See, if this is the way that I think it is, it's like add the pop-up page. Alright, let's see what this does here. Why didn't they just add this in the CS? Background. Where do I add this? We're sourcing popup.js from within the popup. Where's the popup.js? Oh wait, within alright. What does this actually open up though? Alright, I actually don't know what this does. So I am kind of scared. Web accessible resources. Extension, web accessible resources. Parsing failed at 0. Huh. Interesting. Doesn't do anything. Huh. What the fuck? Where did I get this from? So here's what happened. User clicks on shaded region. User clicks on shaded region. Update hides the pop-up to background JS. Here's what user clicks on shaded region. Okay, shaded. What? I'm so confused. And any page you visit should display pop-up. Okay, let's refresh this. Oh, this was updated like 6 years ago. Alright. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, let's try this again. To the background page. Get background page. not the newly created tab URL. Sure. What the fuck site is this? What year are we in? Extension. Get tab. Hold on. Maybe Chrome extension get dom. Log the contents here. Do stuff with the content. Okay, so let me add this to my background. When the browser action is clicked, listen content.js, listen for the messages. So I'll throw this in my main too. Content.js. Let me make sure that that's manifest. Yeah, background is correct. How to obtain the actual tone. You don't have to use the message. I used execute script. Okay, let's see. Test. Chrome will add the content script to the needed page. See, it only works with, where is it, on click. But like, do I really want it to do on click? But it's the tabs, execute script tabs, code. I still don't like the. How does this unclick? I'd access the webpage DOM rather than. Doesn't seem that. Wait, manifest version 3 service worker doesn't have any DOM documents. Manifest 2 background scripts have their own DOM. Run once the page is loaded. After that, messaging. Use messaging, but no, it can't send down elements such as. Wait, oh, maybe that's in Chrome 91 or older. Func should be function. Okay, so what file does this go in? Simple call. Let me try this. I think this will work. But I don't know if it's for the background. Here. And which file would this script go into? I've read it, but your answer is not clear what it would be. It still isn't clear. I would assume. I think it's the background script. That's what it looks like. This is some bullshit. This is why I hate Stack Overflow. Why can't I comment? It's so stupid. Fucking retarded, bro. Like, why? Oh my god. So stupid. Just trying to learn here. I think this goes in the background script. My hair's got like a ton of gunk in it still. Like at the scalp of my head, I can feel my hair stuff still there. got one. I think I know what to do with this, but I need to look up some stuff. My listener was not returning response, so... Wait a second. Because you can't exactly call... Aha. Extension. Get background page. Is that really... Is this how it really works? Oh, okay, so you can just do this then, just call it like that. Okay. And then, where's... Chrome extension, send message. Chrome runtime, send message. So I guess in my code, I'll run... Let's send response. I guess I'll just send a message. After 30 seconds. Okay, so start. We do that. And then after 30 seconds, we should get a response. No matching signature. Add a button that calls timer. Oh, hold on. Am I... second. Content.js. Oh, he's... okay. He's the one that helped me on the other one. Okay. Cool. Serialized messages. That then mine's different. Mine's a different error message. I'm still confused on why. I need send a message. No matching signatures. I guess we do that. How did I get the tabs though? Well, even if I did this. Let me try this. Wait a second. Maybe. Oh, hold on. Is it because my background doesn't have. Let me try this instead. Boom, 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 boom. Every property is of undefined ID. And then instead of 30, I'm gonna do 35. Because I realized it's still a bit long here. Not every property is of undefined ID. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Alright. Tap status. Set zoom. Detect language capture visible tab. Here, the ID is gonna be different though. The ID isn't just something. Alright, hold on. Chrome, Windows, create, get that. Well, how do so if I do this and I do this, console.log tab, promise result. Access this. How does this work here? How the hell do you get this thing? Chrome tabs create property tab, resolve tab. Alright, so if I did this, throw that in there, and I say this, and then do, say, something. So now if I say tabs 0 ID, alright, let's go back to what my question was saying here. The new tab is open, action page is closed, that's it. If you want to display the result, you can open a new window using Chrome or add an element to the page, style it as a page menu. They're going to be coming into the room soon. I think about another 30 minutes maybe. Use iframe. I used an iframe now, and the only ways to isolate chunks without being influenced. So the background script, this might get... Does he have these two? But an IC message interesting. So let me see what this does. So the sending a request from a content script looks like this. Send message, response. Sending a request from the extension to a content script looks similar like this, except that you need to specify which tab to send it to. This demonstrates content script in the selected tab. Okay, that's fine. On the receiving end, you need to set up the handle. So is this a background script? Alright, let me try this. If this doesn't work, then honestly, I don't know what to do. I just don't. This looks exactly like what I was doing. Go reading. And then I guess this is the background. Let me try this. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. But I don't know where this gets sent. Where do I... Undefined reading farewell. Where does this go? Does this go to the... background script. This looks the same from a content script or extension. From a content script. Sending a request from a content script looks like this. On the receiving end, you need to set up looks like the same from a content script or an extension. Okay, so let me just drop this on the same file then and test it, because I don't fucking know. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not God. Undefined ID. So if I do I don't get it though. Yeah, I know. But if content document execute command, if this was the case, then I could use insert HTML like that. If this is the case, I could just do this. I could iframe test. Iframe automation test. And if we can do, hold on, if I can do. Let me try this. If we can use an iframe, it might be easier. You know how the programming they use your big brain? Yeah, I know a few things. And then this is gonna be our YouTube thing. Let me test it here. Like I've changed from a Chrome extension. That's where I changed my title now. Testing stuff. Updated the title. Doing the Chrome extension. Because if we can do it this way, automation might not be necessary. Hold on. Slash embedded. I like this song. Maybe I do need to watch it. I keep thinking that they're gonna does YouTube not embed anymore? Or? No, they do still do it. How come? Oh, it's embed, not embedded. Okay, so if I try to autoplay it. Hold on, I gotta get... I gotta get the J. Grace thing again. So because it does that, if I can do this, and then the thing with the, it sucks with the other thing because it wouldn't, literally right here. Says it. Okay, and then if I do Dr. Smith. If I do document unload, I believe I can do this. Yeah, this is what I tried to do. Document on... There we go. Oh wait, it loaded. Let me let it wait 10 seconds and then let's try it. So it's gonna load, and then in 10 seconds it should click. I think it's been longer than 10 seconds. So let me. Run. Hello. YouTube large button. How did this not work? Huh. Interesting. But if I did this and then did it again. Copy element. Gallery properties of null. Hello. This is. Does it change each time? How does it? It doesn't even change each time, so I don't know how it can't find it. Okay. So then, do this then. Not read properties of null. No. Hold on. Bro, why do I keep getting notifications? Oh my god. Contents. Okay, hold on. Well, I think I have the autoplay on this, right? Yeah, I do. So, jQuery get iframe click play. Yeah, if I do this. Unexpected you. Okay, hold on. Let me check something real quick. If this was a working video. Let me just take this one for example. If this was a working one, it would be playing, right? Oh, wait. Hello. Okay, play video. Okay, so then, okay. I mean, this is all common knowledge stuff, though, that I know. So, say farm YouTube URLs equals that button. A small button there. Yeah, look, so here, if it's unavailable, how can I find that out? Let me see. Hold on. There's gotta be, I closed it. This we don't need. We should have YouTube here. Buffering queued, ended, paused, playing, unstarted. Any of that means. Player. Player info. Let me see if wait, oh, if it has a -1, no. Oh, okay, alright, hold on. So in the code, no, it's not player. I think it's YouTube. Or yeah, it is player. Player dot. Was it YouTube? YouTube API player. Is next video just another load video by ID? Player dot load video by ID, and then we're gonna do function previous video. Okay, and then we can easily get this, and then so hold on. These fucking buttons, Jesus Christ. Where's the video? On YouTube, iframe ready. Should be ready. Go. I think. So we do player. Not player. YouTube. So that, and then if I do next video, it says, hold on. Get player state. Oh, okay, so is it player dot get player state? Okay, and then previous video. Okay, so now what we can do is this. In the code, hold on. Hold on. This I can close. That I can close. Yeah, I think there's another one. Let me go on YouTube real quick. I can get age restricted ones, I think.
Hey yo, the patty whack candy bag. Bro, I could have done this automation fucking 2 years ago.
But I can only automate, I think, this checking the songs. I don't think I can automate a ton of the other stuff that I think I want to automate. Wait, honestly, hold on. To make this easy for myself, let's do this. Let me go to my site. Let me get a backup of the songs and then import it. Now I need to export this.
Boom, 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 boom. Hey yo.
God knows it's gonna take forever to save. There's only 15 Alright, this should create. Oh wait, no, how do I cancel this? Oh, please say cancel it. I think it canceled. Oh my god, that almost fucked up a lot there. Hold on. big tongue there. Wait, it still created. Hold on.
No, it's still executed. It's still executed.
Bro.
How the fuck am I? Okay, hold on.
I can fix this, but it's so fucking annoying. Wait, how did this fucking... Oh wait, hold on. Maybe I clicked on the wrong one. Hold on. Okay, I don't think it executed. Yeah, it didn't execute it. Oh thank God. Oh my God, I got so scared. Because it was, I thought, I got scared that I was gonna overwrite my current one, and I was like, no. Alright, while that loads, hold on. There's another one that I gotta test here. And I know this one will get... I don't know if it'll be... It says songs 3 already exists. Okay. Structure. Change this to something. Alright, hold on. I got to drop this one then. I gotta drop it. Songs 3. So, like this, we get that, and then if I do this, that still plays? There's no way. Is it this one or is it another one? I thought this one doesn't allow embedded. I thought it didn't allow embedded. Alright, then let me try. Which one? I could have sworn that this one was age restricted. Is this finished?
2:30 and they're still not here. I guess they're not on done.
I could have sworn one of 6ix9ine's songs was age restricted, and that way it didn't allow embedded videos. Just finished? No. Still creating a copy of my site.
So then I wonder, how can I automate? I wonder how I can automate certain things then. If I can automate this, then how can I automate? Hey yo.
I know which one's age restricted. The Belle Delphine one. I know that one's age restricted. Let me just make sure I don't show it on stream. So I know if I show it on stream, it's gonna... YouTube's gonna be like, hey. For the whole this finished. Oh. Bro, I would fuck Belle Delphine. Oh my god, she is so fine. Let me see now. I know for a fact that this one's age restricted. Let me see. I can't show it on stream. Alright, so if it's age restricted, we see this. What do we get? We still get -1. Yes. We still get -1. That's good. Because that means to get our YouTube video URLs, the PHP page has to load. But we could essentially do what we did with the other code here. Oh, hold on. Oh wait, you can't see it. I was scared for a second. I was like, oh my god, I'm sharing my passwords. No, you can't see it then. But I can only run this, I could probably only run this locally for now. So hold on. Why is it muted? We are gonna do this. We are gonna say in our code, we're gonna say this instead of say input style. Then we're gonna say placeholder. Start at song index. Like that, and then yeah, ID, we'll say ID start. Then we're gonna say play. Instead of play, we're gonna change this to start automation. Start automation. Oh, I just showed a code here. Did that page finally finish? Nope, it's still running the script. Alright. Start automation. Then we're gonna say, I really gotta push this back. I can't see. There we go. And then on here, we have the jQuery, so that's fine. Don't need any of this shit. Function, start automation. We're gonna say, oh, I didn't finish. Alright. Yeah, it loaded. Okay. Good. What I need to do here is create a new table. Fortunately, so many tables in this damn database here. New table. We're gonna say valid song URL. Valid underscore song URLs. ID, song ID, song URL. Song name. And song artist. And then that means on the site, I just have to go through this. Okay, so in the code, get this, let's say, our index start. And then we're going to say post php, oh wait, no, yeah. php/get video URLs .php with index start. Like that, and then we need to have the index IDs here. So I'm gonna just put type equal. We could do a giant text area. I've never used text areas, so hold on. Text. I've never, like, I don't really use a text area tag. Usually there's no need to. I would say read only. Alright, let's look at what this looks like on the site. That looks very bad. Jesus Christ. Thought it was there we go. Kato wanna track, bitch. So this will be read-only. This is where the video will be. What we're going to do is grab the video ID. So what we're going to do is this. Function automation start, automation running. And this is going to be the script, as you can see. This is going to be the script that gets called every time. So one thing we need to do is this. We're going to do, let's turn off the don't need this shit anymore. Why did I, yeah, we load video with ID. So what we're gonna do is this, index start, we're gonna get data, console.log data. Close this. Get video URLs. So what we're gonna do is this. Go to here. HP include, and then we're gonna say db.php, and we're gonna say SQL. Or first we're gonna say index start equals post index start, and then we're gonna say on the site, what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna say start at index, and then we're gonna do span, pretty much the same thing here. This. And song index at, and then we'll put say ID equals song index. And then let me just sort of do the same thing here. Song name, song artist, pretty much all I need. Name, song artist. And then I want to put, hold on, in terms of the video, I kind of just want to float it to the side here, wherever this thing is. Where is the div player? Here it is. Display, block, float, left, right, position, right, 0. Bro, I don't think. Okay. So we're going to say 500 pixels by 500 pixels, float right. Let's just do that. Say css./main, not CSS. For the sake of this, I guess, hold on. For the sake of this, let's keep it as this. Fly guy. On player ready. anyway, we want to keep that unplayed already state is not defined because it's not in the. Hey yo. Hey yo. Alright. I didn't want to link rel style sheet css/main.css. Hello. Why didn't it add the CSS to it? I think hey yo. I took this out. Interesting, this CSS is not linking for some reason. Link rel href. There we go. I don't know why, but it took me a minute. Alright. So now, for one, let me, hold on. Oh shit. Hey yo. I think we could. Hold on. Height, width, we could probably just do 800 actually. Height, we could probably do 600. That looks better. Okay, so now then when we hit start automation, one thing we want to do, we start at 1. So we want to make sure if does not equal empty, we posted this in the code. So we do this, and then what we want to do here is do this. We want to do SQL equals select all from songs 3 where ID equals make sure we get it. Index start. And we want to say result equals -qi query and then SQL, right? Yep. We don't even need that. And then we want to do here we want to do is this.
Hey yo.
And then this here. So on refresh, let's get this, and then in the console log, if I say start at 1, start automation. Did it work? Get video URLs. Okay. That didn't work. Refresh. 1. Get video URLs. We get this, which is good. Because what we want to then do here is parse it. So we do, I believe we can do JSON.parse and then data. Yep. And then we want to say this song index not value text data let return data JSON.parse. So here in the code, like that. So then we're gonna say this dot ID return data on ID. Wait, I did something like this before. How come I didn't think of it? I did this on something else also. Wait, what's in? I know I've. Oh. Yeah, I did this on if it has captions or not. Interesting. Okay. And then what we're gonna do here is turn data dot URL and then alright, now let's try this. So if I just do this at 1, we say this, we do this. So one thing we want to do here then is say player this. We want to then do this. So we load that. We're going to say set timeout function, let's say 300 milliseconds. We're gonna say let var current player state equals this. If current player state greater than -1, go to the next one. Else, we're gonna do this. Else if equals -1, console.log and valid console.log valid. Hold on. This one's invalid. If it's invalid, we're gonna say function, hold on, start automation. We're gonna say make a global variable called var starting index. Equals 0. What we're gonna then do is this equals index start, and what we're gonna then do is say this song index start dot value is gonna equal return data dot id. So that way it goes up 1. We gotta do, hold on, I think we should do let var next song equals parse and this plus 1, and then we're gonna say next song to string, I think. So that way when we started, it started. Like this, and then function invalid, and then we gotta do dot post. So we're gonna say data. So what we're gonna then do is dot post to a new page called invalid song.php, and we're gonna do php/invalid song.php with this, with the function, and then we do this. So with the function, we're just gonna call back this itself. Like that. I don't need that one. We do this with return data. This would just call itself. But we do need to set a timer though for it, before it goes to the next song. So one thing we want to do is set timeout function. Let's say every 10 seconds. Otherwise, it's kind of gonna be like awkward here. And then here, we want to do is this on I don't know why I named it valid song URL. I should change this table name to invalid. Invalid song URL. Alright, here. Now we have this. So what we're going to need is song ID, data.id, song URL, data.url, song name, data.songname, artist, which is the song artist, data.artist, and then I didn't put a timeout, put 10 seconds. Include and then say PHP. Then we're gonna say song ID goes to post, song URL post, song name equals to post, and then song artist equals to post. And then we want to do a set function basically saying basically want to do something like this, but songs 3 are going song ID, song URL, song name, song artist. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert this into songs 3. That is for 4. Song URL, song name, song artist, like that. And then what we want to do put song ID, song URL, song name, song artist. Okay. And then one thing I want to do here is this. So on the, I'm pretty sure on this, I don't have any IDs on it. If I say this dot text and then say so how do I append a value? Or do I just get current? So let's I think I do this. I'm gonna do this and then say var current text area value is that. that at the end. I then think we do this plus that, right? Yeah. So then I think we can do /n, right? Yeah. So let me do something like that. And if it's valid or not, we're gonna change it. So we're gonna then say I do this instead. I don't want to do that. Yeah. Then we say song ID is and then we're gonna put it here. Return data.id. And then in terms of when I did this, it might start. I'm afraid of it starting already. Let me comment this out. If I do this, and then I hit start, it plays the video, but I don't want it to play. So if I do player.pause video dot play video. Alright. So yeah, let me just do this. Because I don't want it to play as we do it. We're gonna do a test trial, I guess, now. Yeah. Let's see how this goes. So every 10 seconds, it should go. I realize 10 seconds might be a bit of time. Is it gonna go to the next song? I guess not. It got the data. Set timeout. Oh wait, is that's not. Hold on. That wasn't 10 seconds. Hold on. I want to have a timer out here. We'll start it at 10. And then we're gonna say, when we hit play, we're gonna say down 10, and then set interval function, and then we're gonna say every. No, it should be every 10 seconds, right? Because yeah, that's every 10 seconds. I guess that's 1 second there. But that would be 10 seconds there. And then we're gonna say the timer goes down. Timer goes down, text, and we're gonna say countdown timer goes time minus 1. If countdown timer is less than 0. I think this should work. Oh, and then this should be every second it goes. Right.
Hey yo. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo.
To start on I mean, I could just pull up the files that I just did for my own, but
Don't want to.
do that. And then we're gonna say, actually, how do you call? I guess do. I guess you throw it in here, and then if it's less than this, you clear it. Clear interval countdown. I guess. I'm not exactly sure. Check this site. Countdown timer 10. No, we should probably put 10 seconds. So start at 1. Let's let the page load, then we do this. Song ID 1. Huh. But then how does it say invalid? Hold on. Oh, you know what? Hold on. I just realized we don't do anything if it's invalid. Invalid, we insert. Oh, shit. How is it invalid again? I don't know. Well, songs 3 would have never. Player.getPlayer state. Console.log state. A triple beam on it. Balenciaga. If it's greater than, so if I do 1, it will do -1. How? I'm confused. If I legit do this again here, what? Is it because it's not playing? But if I pause it, it says 2. Okay. So I thought I did. Let me try this. This is for 1 second. So if I did 1, did that. No, but it says right here -1 here. But if I do this and then if I pause it, it says 2. So let me try this in 3 seconds here. So instead we'll do 3 seconds. 1. Okay. Can't even load the video. Set timeout. 1. 2, 3. Why is it still? I paused the video. I know what this 3 sort of. Do 1. Three. Player state 2. Okay, okay. This beat is nice. And instead, we'll just let that go at 6 because it takes a second to load. So if So, it's supposed to go to the next song here. So, hold on. That's the next thing I gotta check here, actually. Song index currently at. It's supposed. Hello. it didn't go to the next song index, and it maybe I put the song index start. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Okay, and then I gotta change this to read only. So if I say this dot attribute read only true, maybe disabled. So as soon as we started, okay, yeah, okay. And then as soon as we do that, well, I want to then do start at index, and then we'll say ID equals start index text. And then we're going to say text. Like this. So at 1, we do that. Next song index 2. Yep, it goes to that. I guess the start button should be disabled. I'll have an ID on it. ID equals start button. If I did yep, so we're gonna do that as soon as we click on it. And then I feel like this is this. It's called text area. So I think what we should do is this text area dot attribute dot disabled true. Oh, what? Text area disable restart. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright. Strange, because I could have sworn they were gonna come by my room today. I saw my name on the list, or my room number on the list. Okay. Let's try this. This is gonna take a long time, obviously, but if I do a screenshot, it's probably gonna mess it up. Bro, look how fast it's going. There's really no reason to have that timer then. That timer is fucking things up. Hold on. Alright, so it was at 10. Oh, you know what I should do? Hold on, let me do something real quick. Let me put... Let me put an invalid URL there, and then see if it picks it up. Let me just put it on this one. Alright, so it should pick it up. So, let's see. It's valid. It's valid. Who? What? Okay, that doesn't make sense. Let me check the invalid song. Yeah, what? Let's do this. Invalid plus player. The set timeout is kind of like oh, I see, hold on. It was running it twice, that's why. It was running it twice as fast. I see what we can do. Alright. 1. I mean, that's fine. It can be slow. Song 3. Okay, now it should get -1. It's invalid. Okay. Let me check. It worked. It worked. now that I know that. Alright. The one thing I can't do is I can't automate certain things to the point of let me restart this back to one. Why is this automatically like click on? So now Hold on. I'm, I should just let this run, I guess. I'm talking to people. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, this tab is muted. But look, so it runs about 3 to 4 seconds of it, and then you can verify it. And because this is all internal, look at this. 16 hours. Oh, I've been streaming for 3 hours. Wow. if I do, I'm trying to think if there is a way to scrape the site. You know, let's do this until we run into an invalid one. Because yesterday, god damn, I hate this. Yesterday,
No, it's these shoes. I hate these shoes.
so we're a current song index. Look at that. So it runs about 3 to 4 seconds before it verifies it, which I like. So yeah, look. So that's such a great album. And then once it verifies it, I just have to go through the actual site. Okay, so where's my phone at? Let me time about how long. What is this? Go fun. Alright, one thing I do want it to do is this. So we're at 25, alright. Text area, auto scroll, scroll to bottom of text area, job. Wait, is it sort of bottom at? Okay. Where's my code at? Where am I code at? So we were at 25. And for the sake of it, let's do 23 and then see. I think I did it too fast. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, I did it too fast, I think. Oh yeah, we gotta let it scroll. Elon Musk sued 258 billion. What? Say billion days. Huh? Who wrote that article? Sued for 258 billion days. Who wrote this article? Oh, days after. They should put a comma there. It says Elon Musk sued for 258 billion days after Johnny Depp won defamation. I was like, 258 billion days? What does that mean? need to. Oh yeah, I was gonna time how long this took. Should be about 10 seconds. It's about 16 seconds. So I'm gonna say 15 seconds for the sake of it. If I do 15, what is it? 15 times 4, that's 60. So we'll do 4 times 60, 240 times 24, 5,700. So if we have 49,000, 5,700, it's going to take about 10 days to get through all of these. So, yeah. I don't know how long I'm going to have this running. I'm definitely going to have it running for today. I just want to make sure it goes to the scrolls to the bottom. And then after that, I'm gonna go to do my laundry. 34 is valid. So I think we know up to 75. I think it goes up to 75. We know is. So cannon. Okay, does it auto scroll to the bottom? Let's see. Okay, yeah, it is. It looks like or it appears it is. So yeah, pauses, make sure it's valid. Woodridge. I'm gonna end my stream. That's all I got for today. That's all I really wanted to do this weekend. Well, I didn't expect to do this, but I'm gonna let this run because I need to let it run. So, I'll see what it's at the end of today. I could easily have it run. Let me make sure that, I could try and speed it up, but I don't want to because it's working. And that's the thing. It's working. Let me check invalid song URLs. We got none so far. And look, we've already gone through 50 songs compared to what I could have gone through. When I did this manually yesterday, I think 3 hours in, I mean, I was kind of talking, doing stuff, but 3 hours in, I was still, like, we're about to hit 75 soon. Like, it's so crazy how fast it is. One thing I do want to do, though, is set a time elapsed time. Hey yo, hey yo. Ba, 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 boom. There's a you have to pay. What is this site? You have to pay to see the rest of the article. Come on. I want to do a count up. Display. Alright, let me try this. Simple count, but this is a counter, not a count like a timer. That's a countdown time. How do you count? Just like count up time. That's time. 7 minutes. Is this compute hours? Oh, this one, okay, hold on, this one's got hours also. Okay, so let me actually add this. Look, so we're at 61 or whatever. Oh my god, my site is broken. Look at that. Hold on. Let me, somebody do something. Look at that. but we're gonna do this. I'm gonna say function hold on. Function run timer. Throw this in there. I want to say, I guess it doesn't matter. So, yeah, so if I run this, hold on, when I hit run timer, what are we at, 62 or something? Let's see, does this work as intended? Yeah. But hold on, I'm gonna put this on here. Hold on. Alright, hold on. We're at 65. Damn it, why did... It's because it's a div. Oh, and because the div, so we're at 63. I need to make sure when I do this, I don't, like, I remember what the last one was at. Alright, it's working. I can close that. And yeah, that's gonna be it for my stream. Catch y'all next week.